That boy is working you. Be careful what you do. They say he's nothing but trouble with an attitude. Well-meaning intervention. My friends with good intentions say if you don't walk away, girl, you must be crazy. They don't see through these eyes. They don't feel with his heart. They don't know what it's like. Oh, oh, oh. They're not kissing your lips. They're not touching like this. I feel the passion and the fire ignite me. I don't care what they say. I don't care what they do. They can lock me up forever, try to stop me loving you. They try to keep Romeo and Juliet apart. Baby, doesn't matter what they say. I only listen to my heart. I don't care what they do. Nothing gonna stop me loving you. I don't care what they say. I'm gonna love you anyway. Your body feels so right, laying by my side. And if the world should end tonight, baby, I'd be satisfied. I know you're a better man. Sorry, they don't understand. You make me feel like I've never felt before. I don't care what they say. I don't care what they do. They can lock me up forever, try to stop me loving you. They try to keep Romeo and Juliet apart. Baby, doesn't matter what they say. I only listen to my heart. Nobody can tell me how to feel. Nobody can show me what is real. Words can't change what I know is true. Nothing's gonna stop me loving you.